Come to me, all who you labor and are heavily burdened, and I will give you rest. To our loving Mother, Inay Binay in heaven, thank you for the opportunity that you let us see the beauty of the earth. Thank you for your untiring efforts, guidance, and most especially, your unconditional love. Even though you are no longer here with us, your laughter, funny gestures, and positivism, despite of your critical condition, showcase a strong woman to us, your children. We love and we will miss you dearly. Inay Binay, we are missing you today, but we know that your good memories will always be in our hearts. We are who we are because of your compassion and loving hands. Inay, sometimes we wish you could come back, but we don't want you to suffer again. We know your spirit is always with us, your children, despite of our individual differences and disparities. Indeed, mahal naming Inay Binay, you will always be loved, remembered from the bottom of our hearts. Fly high, Inay Binay. Just extend our regards to our dear Tatay Gario, Kuya Dante, Nanay Pasing, Tiyo Isko, Tiyo Ando, and Tia Hiling. Till we meet again. Paalam, mahal naming Inay, sa huli nating at muli nating pagkikita. I-enjoy mo ang moment mo, makipag-aawitan sa libu-libong mga anghel na siyang magbibigay sa iyo ng isang tunay na kagalakan sa himno ng mga makalangit na awit. Paalam, Inay, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Gabi. Kailan division test? Sa gabi naman, that review last night. Really sa Laura Saturday.
Saturday pupunta.